Hey, it's Kate from Inkstampshare. I'm going to make a nice note card and envelope if you want to send a note to someone. I've used the Whisper White note cards and envelopes. They come in a pack of 20. They're all pre-cut and pre-scored with the envelopes to match, so really useful. So I am using the Crafting Forever stamp set as well. So I'm going to show you a little trick because I just want to stamp off one of these pens and they're all on the same one. So I've got a reel of masking tape that I keep handy, and I'm just going to mask off the pens on the stamp that I don't want, like that. Make sure your stamp's nice and clean before you start, like that. Make sure they're covered up, and then grab your ink that you're going to use. I've got Memento Black. Ink up the image that you do want to stamp really well. Don't forget to take this off before you stamp, but you could have a bit of a disaster. And then those ones should be clean. Put your masking tape well out of the way so it doesn't stick and get dirty everywhere. Okay, so I want my pen to be quite at the top of this rectangle on one side, like that. Let's pop that one here. So I want it to look like it's writing. Now I've got a sentiment here that says a note for you, and I'm going to do that one in Bermuda Bay. So let's do that. Bermuda Bay, I think Bermuda Bay. I can't remember what I decided on, but we'll go for that. A bit of ad hoc. A note for you. So there we go. Just like that. Okay, now I've got three colours here. I've got Melon Mambo, I've got Bermuda Bay, and I've got the Lemon Lime Twist as well. So I have got a splodgy stamp here from a different stamp set. It's like an ink splatter, and I'm going to use that. That's the pink on there, so I'm going to use that first to make some ink splatters on my card, like that. And then I'm going to give it a good clean. What a noise that is. That's my Stampin scrub. Let's just give it a wipe. It's really, really inky. Melon Mambo is super juicy. Okay, and then I'm going to go with a Lemon Lime Twist. Hope you can see that really well. This is a quick, nice, pretty note card that you can send out if you want to send somebody something. Okay, and a bit of Bermuda Bay in there too. But any colours you like. There we go. All done. Okay, and then I am going to colour in the pen. So I'm not going to use that one. I think I'm going to use these colours. Can't even remember what colours I used. I think these two would go, don't you? So I think we'll go for Lemon Lime Twist. And I'm just going to be very quick, because I'm sure you don't want to sit and watch somebody colour in. You get the idea. Okay, I love this Lemon Lime Twist. It's one of our retiring end colours, so it's only around until the end of this month. It's one of the 20, I've got to get it right now, 2017 to 2019 in colours. So yeah, it's on its way out. So there we go. Like that. And then we'll put the pink in. Melon Mambo can go in there. Give it a bit of a pop. Nothing nicer than getting a little handmade note in the post. Postman only brings horrible things usually, so you can cheer up someone's day. Sure, my eyesight's failing. It's the evening and I can't see half the bits I've missed. So don't look too close, will you? I don't know whether to do these bits pink or not. It kind of makes it quite dark, but I think I will. There we are. So that's that. And I've got some ribbon I'm going to pop on it. Let me just do that so I don't put my hand in there. And I'm going to put that on there. So I'm going to use some of my snail adhesive on the back. Look, I've been mucking about before. Waste not, what not. Isn't it? There we are. And then there's a little bit left there. I'm going to make a knot. I love doing this. It's so much easier than tying a bow. And I'm not really a bow person. Sometimes. And the good thing about the knot is you tie it over the top, you can move it up and down where you want it to go. There we go, got my knot. Might move it slightly down because of that bit's hanging over. There we are. Now a bit more of the snail to go on the back. And I'm going to put it on a piece of lemon lime twist, which is 1/4 inch bigger. So I can tell you the measurements as I go along. The note cards and envelopes are 3.5 inches by 5 inches. So this lemon lime twist panel is 4 3/4 inches by 3 1/4 inches, and the white one is then 3 inches by 4 1/2. So it just goes down 1/4 inch increments. So before I glue it on the front, I'm going to stamp inside. I'm going to bring back the pens and the memento, and I'm going to stamp all 3 of them this time. And I'm just going to pop it in here. Just makes it look nice and pretty. Love those pens. And then I'm going to bring back in a note for you. What colour did I stamp it in? Bermuda Bay. Let's go. Oh no, actually, if I can clean it. Just put my hand in the black ink. If I can clean it, we'll go for lemon lime twist, which matches the card. There we go. Oh, lovely, love that colour. Shame it's retiring. If you want this colour, cardstock or ink pads, do hop over to my online shop and pick them up before they're gone. Inkstampshare.ink. You'll find the link there over on my website. The shop. Okay, pop it on and you've got your note card done. Very quick and easy project. Love it. The stamps I've used are Crafting Forever. Love that one. I've used the little ink splatter out of Timeless Textures. I do believe this one's retiring, but to be honest, I only ever used the coffee round one and the ink splatter. Use that quite a lot though. And Eastern Beauty, very pretty, but I use the Note for You from there, but you can substitute it with anything you like. Hope you enjoyed that. Very quick little project. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Oh, and click the little bell down below for notifications of future videos. And hop over to my blog for the measurements at inkstampshare.ink. Thanks for stopping by.